Nice little place you got here, Thomas. What is it? Old foreclosure of a gambling debt from some poor young lord who you pumped full of opium in one of your casinos. Was that just tittle-tattle, 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 tittle-tattle,